Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Arc browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Simply search for Arc browser on your Bing or Google search bar. I prefer Bing, and then go to this website arc.net. It's arc.net. Click on download Arc for Windows and then click on open. It will open the installer. It will start downloading Arc here and it will launch. Now we need to create an account because I don't already have an account. So I will enter my credentials. And then I'll enter the password here. I will check this box and I will create an account. Now this is interesting because they are asking us to log in at the entry itself, and they don't want to associate us with others. So I will select the settings. No, I don't want it to be my default browser, and get started. This has opened the Arc browser. Now let us try searching it and check what happens. I will search for, I think it's faster than Chrome. A lot of users said it's faster than Chrome. Yes, it is faster than Chrome. I'll also search for fast.com, and it's really fast. It's really fast. I will prefer this any day. Now, if you want to open a new tab, simply click on this and it gives options like these: Google Calendar, YouTube, and switch to the previous tab, or you can directly search Google as a default browser. And this is quite an excellent browser in this case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.